Good morning to all my sweet little children. Okay, first of all, today tell me, have you seen a computer? Have you seen your parents working on it? सब लोगों ने देखा है? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, today we will learn what is computer. Yes. So, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya. Today we will learn more about computer. Okay? Come on. First of all, go and open your textbook. Go fast, run and open your textbook and open chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Computer. Okay. So, first of all, going to the topic that what is computer, we will see that Introduction to computers, then natural and man-made things. First, we will see what are natural things and what are man-made things. Okay. You can see many things around you. Some are natural while others are man-made. Now we see many things around us. कुछ natural होती है और कुछ man-made होती है ना? Now what are the example? Come, let's see. Natural things are things that are available to us directly from nature. जो हमको directly nature से मिलेंगी वो कौन सी things? That are natural things. Okay. For example, peacock. Oh, peacock is so beautiful. Have you seen it? I have seen the peacock. Yes, it's very beautiful. The next one is mountain. Yes, when you go with your parents on a holiday, we see big mountains. है ना? These are natural things. Then banana. Oh, banana is so good for our health. It is my favorite food. And yours? Yours also. Okay. And tree. We see many trees around us. Okay. These all are natural things. Understood? What are natural things? Is it clear with you? Okay. The next one is the man-made things. Now what are man-made things? The things which are made by humans. Yes. जो हम humans बनाते हैं ना, those things are known as man-made things. Machines are man-made things. जो भी machines हमारे घर पे है ना, वो सारी man-made things है. Yes, they make our work easier. We can find examples like वो हमारा काम कितना easy कर देती है ना. Like for example, motorcycle. आप ride पे जाते हो ना अपने पापा के साथ motorcycle पे, है ना? Yes, it is a machine. It is a man-made thing. The next one is fan. Oh, कितनी अच्छी हवा देता है ना हमको fan, है ना? It is also a machine. Then television. We watch cartoons. Yes. And the next one is the refrigerator. Oh, refrigerator में तो हमारी favorite thing होती है एक कौन सी ice cream. Yes, it is a machine. Okay, understood what are natural things and what are man-made things? Shall I move forward? The next one is read the words below. Think about what each object is, whether it is a natural product or man-made. Now, here is an action time for you. You have to think and you have to color these objects. Now, there are objects given to you. अब इसमें ना mix करके objects दिए हुए हैं. Natural as well as man-made. तो हमको क्या करना है? Color the ovals with natural objects green. जो green color हम लोग use करेंगे कौन से objects के लिए? Natural objects के लिए. And for man-made objects, we will use blue, my favorite color. Yes. Okay. जैसे कि glass. Now glass is a man-made. So I will just change the color. See, I will just show you like this. Yes, it is a man-made. So you have to color it with color it. Okay. You have to sit with your mama. Okay. Mama आपको सिखाएंगी. Then natural objects with green. अभी natural objects कौन से? Like feather. तो मैं इसका color change करके then I will color it like this. You have to color it whole. Okay? Understood? ये आपको homework में करना action time. Okay? You have to sit with your mama and you have to do it. Clear? Okay. Now our next topic is machines. Okay, we will study what are machines. Machines are man-made things that make our work easier and faster. क्या करती है हमारा work easy और fast कर देती है. Okay, then machine works on electricity और फ्यूल और ह्यूमन पावर. वो किस पे वर्क करती हैं? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे या फ्यूल पे या ह्यूमन पावर पे. नाउ वी आर गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑल दिस: electricity, fuel and human power. The first one is the machine that works on electricity are television, fan, air conditioners, etc. हम सब ने ये सारी मशीन्स देखी है ना हमारे घर पे. Yes, see, air conditioner. An air conditioner is a machine that is used to cool down our homes in summer. Oh, कितनी ठंडी ठंडी हवा देते हैं ना air conditioners, है ना? Yes, it is a machine that works on electricity. That works on electricity. Okay. The next one is the machines that require fuel are aeroplane, bike, car, etc. Oh, see the picture of an aeroplane. Yes, it's so good, no? An aeroplane is a machine that flies in the air. Yes, it helps us to travel a long distance in a short time. हम लोग कितने दूर दूर जगह पे जा सकते हैं ना with the help of the aeroplane. Now aeroplane works with the help of the fuel and bike and car also works with the help of the fuel. आपके मम्मी पापा बाइक्स एंड कार में पेट्रोल भरवाते हैं ना, है ना? Yes, it is a machine that works on a fuel. ठीक है, मम्मा पापा को आज बताना that bike is a machine that works on fuel. Okay. The next one is machine which needs human power are cycle, rickshaw, sewing machine, scissors, etc. See, here's our scissors. And scissor is an instrument used for cutting cloth, paper and other material. मम्मा यूज करती है ना कभी कभार scissors, है ना? Yes, it is a machine which works on human power. Okay, understood? Okay, now see, it is an answer time. You have to answer. I will not answer it. Okay, name a machine that works on electricity. Fast, fast. Only one machine. Okay, good. The next one, name a machine that runs on human power. Yes, yes, go fast. Okay, good. Understood? This topic is clear to you? The next one is the features of machine. Now, what are the features of machine? The first one is machine makes our work easy. Yes, see, it is a mixer. है ना, मम्मा यूज करती है ना जूस के टाइम पे घर पे, है ना? Yes, it makes our work easy. Then machine work fast and save our time. हमारा टाइम सेव कर देती हैं. Then the next, machine cannot think and work on their own. वो सोच नहीं सकती हैं, वो खुद ही नहीं चलती हैं. वो किस पे चलती हैं? या तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे, या तो फ्यूल पे, और एल्स ऑन ह्यूमन पावर. ओके, मशीन्स नेवर गेट टायर्ड. वो हमारी तरह टायर्ड नहीं होती. यस, जितना हम उनको वर्क करवाएंगे दे विल वर्क. ओके, ओके, नाउ there is one more action time for you. Given below are the few pictures. Tick the ones that are machines. ये भी आपको होमवर्क में करना है मम्मा के साथ बैठ के. See, fan, notebook, car, oh, a bird. अभी आपको इनमें टिक करना है जो जो मशीन होगी. Clear? You have to do it at your home in your textbook. Okay? And our today last topic is computer. Yes. हमने ये सब पढ़ लिया. अब क्या पढ़ेंगे हम लोग? कंप्यूटर. A computer is a machine which works on electricity and it is a smart machine. See, it works on electricity and it is a smart machine. Further, what are the features of a computer? Now, what the computer says? I am a smart machine. I am a smart machine. I never make mistakes. मैं कभी mistake नहीं करता. Yes. Then I never get tired. Tired भी नहीं होते हम. Then I can do many things at a time. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ कर सकता हूँ. Then I work on electricity. And the next one is I work very fast. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी जल्दी काम कर सकता हूँ. then I work on your instructions. जो हम machine को instructions देंगे, जो हम उनको order देंगे, वो उसी पे work करेंगी. Okay? I store many things like words, numbers, pictures, music, etc. ये सब हम लोग कंप्यूटर में store कर सकते हैं. Okay? Clear हुआ सब? Okay? Now tell me what we learned today. First, we learned about natural things. What are natural things? जो nature से available होती है हमको, okay? That are around us. The next one is the man-made things. Man-made things में हमने क्या study किया? That which are made by the humans. For example, machines. And the last we studied about computer. Computer is a smart machine. Computer is a smart machine. Okay? You now at the end you have to do the action time. Both action time you have to do with your sit with your mom and you have to do in your textbook. Okay? Till then, bye. God bless you.